children, our topic for today is measuring and comparing length. So, bago tayo magsimula, basahin muna natin yung objectives. Letter A, visualize and compare two or more real objects according to length. Letter B, apply the concept of measuring length in solving word problem. So, sa letter A, i-compare natin yung real object according to their length. And letter B, i-measure natin mamaya yung length according to word problem.
Measuring and comparing lengths. Measuring lengths is the process of finding the distance between two points or the length of an object. Comparing lengths is the process of determining which object longer. Dito natin malaman na we can compare or two objects kung sino sa kanila is the largest or the shortest.
The ball pen and the pencil. So, ipapakita ni teacher sa inyo kung sino sa kanila yung mahaba. Pen ba or a pencil. So, pakitignan mga bata kung sino sa kanila yung mataas. So, yung mataas sa kanila is a pencil. Very good. Another example si teacher dito. Na chalk. So, meron tayong isang chalk and then meron naman isang chalk dito. So, saan sa kanila yung mahaba? Dahil number 1 or number 2. Saan na mga bata yung merong mataas sa kanila? Okay, very good. The chalk number 2. Very good mga bata. So we have another example dito mga bata. So magdodrawing si teacher ng building. Number 1, number 2, and the number 3. So basahin ni teacher sa inyo yung question sa number 1 na example. So, Emma walking in the street and she noticed some tall building on which the building is the tallest. So, si Emma daw naglalakad sa street. So, meron na siyang nakita na mga tatlong building. So, sabi ni Emma, saan daw dito sa tatlo yung pinaka mahaba sa kanila na building. So, we have number 1. Meron tayong number 1 na building dito. And then number 2. Itong building na ito. And then number 3, saan sa tatlo yung mahaba na building sa kanila mga bata? Okay, very good. It's the number 3. Very good. Example here. Okay mga bata, as you can see, meron tayong 3 na mga bata, meron tayong 3 na boat dito. So, basahin yung teacher sa inyo yung example na sa number 2 natin. So, Emma come to the ocean, where she sees ship, which there is the longest. So, si Emma pumunta sa ocean at meron siyang nakita na tatlong mga ship. So, saan dito yung mahaba sa kanilang tatlo? Either the number 1, the number 2, or the number 3. So, saan ba dito mga bata? Yung mataas na sa kanila. So, okay, very good. The number 3. So, that's all our lesson for today. For today mga bata, goodbye everyone. See you tomorrow.